Hi, this is Ali, and you're watching the ChatGPT features video series on Learn Awesome. In this video, we shall discuss making corrections with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model and has read a lot of content to be able to tell correct usage of words from incorrect usage. It is really good at finding and correcting text and grammar from an input text. Not only can it find spelling mistakes, but it can also suggest improvements if asked. But that should be done with caution as it might alter the original text beyond the scope you had in mind. For spelling check, proofreading, frequency analysis, and other text-centric operations, it is a wonderful assistant. When it comes to natural languages, we should be well aware that they are not ideal and standardized as, say, programming languages are when it comes to adhering to grammar rules. Tons of human nuances and regional alterations come into picture. As an example, color and color with a U are both correct words in English, but one variant may be considered incorrect depending on whether you are following a US English or UK English. It is important to understand that language models are not trained by our grammar rules. They infer grammar rules from the data they consume and can be biased depending on the training set. So you should only rely on it as a handy tool, but not a solution. Reading the final draft for accuracy would remain your job even if ChatGPT makes it much easier. It is good enough for regular spell check, but if you are, say, publishing some work, it is not a replacement for human proofreading and grammar checking. That was it for the short video on making corrections feature of ChatGPT. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe to be notified of useful content on this channel. Thank you.